Hi everyone, welcome to Noodle Talk. Last video, we talked about Chinese noodles. 面条 面条 It made from wheat, 小麦 小麦 In northern China, wheat is eaten more, while in southern China, the main food is rice, 大米 大米 The character mi, which we have mentioned in previous video, is included in the word 米字格. In ancient times, it resembled the shape of some rice grains, and later the two 点 in the middle were connected to form a 树, which originally meant the fruit of the grain with the skin removed. Now, if we only see one character, mi, it means the same as 大米. Both means rice. If it refers to the fruits of other grains, other Chinese characters will be added to form words to express the meaning, such as 小米, which means millet, and 玉米 refers to corn. In addition, mi is also a unit of length, which means meter. 厘米 means centimeter, and 毫米 means millimeter. Rice is added with water and cooked to become food. Because the method is relatively simple, it is very convenient to be used as food, but it has no flavor, so eat it with Chinese stir-fry. There are many kinds of stir-fry dishes, which are made of one or several kinds of vegetables, meat, fish, and some seasonings. The more common ones are 麻婆豆腐, 辣椒炒肉, 麻辣香锅, and so on. Besides to cooking rice directly, another way to eat it is to make 米粉, English called rice noodles. 粉 means ground into a fine powder, which can be rice, wheat, beans, etc. It can also be another substance, such as face powder, and it has another meaning, pink. 粉 consists of two parts. On the left is character 米, but be careful to write narrower and the last stroke is shorter. On the right is the character 分. It has a similar pronunciation to 粉, but the tone is different. So pay attention to the difference. 粉 粉 分 分 分 The top part is 八 and the bottom part is 刀 八 in our previous video means number 8. 刀 means knife. The character 刀 is evolved from pictorial characters. In ancient times, it was a kind of utensil and weapons. And in modern times, it is mainly used to cut food and objects. In ancient times, the character 分 was written like a knife in the middle, dividing the object into two parts, left and right. That's what it means to be separated. 米粉. This kind of food is a bar-shaped food made of rice after grinding. It can be said to be similar to noodles, except that one is made of wheat and the other is made of rice. There are also many ways to eat, such as boiled, added to broth, or mixed with side dishes and sauces, or fried with meat and vegetables. And each place has different ingredients, resulting in many ways to eat. Today, we mainly talk about two kinds. One is Changde City, Hunan Province, and the other is Liuzhou City, Guangxi Province. There are two kinds of 米粉 in Changde, round and flat. A variety of side dishes can be placed, such as beef, pork, vegetables, mushrooms, minced meat, sauces, and many more. Boil the rice noodles in boiling water. Remove them and put them in a bowl. And add side dishes and soup according to your own taste. You can also eat it without the soup. Just stir it well. Flat rice noodles are easier to taste and have a softer texture. Round rice noodles are smoother and more elastic. You can choose according to your preference. Changde is a city in Hunan Province, China. Hunan produces chili peppers, and people here love chili peppers so much that most rice noodles have chili peppers. If you don't like chili, you can choose these non-spicy rice noodles to eat. Rice noodles can be eaten at any meal of the day. And rice noodles in Changde start with breakfast. Let's talk about 螺蛳粉. It originated in Liuzhou City, Guangxi Province, and has become popular in many cities in China in recent years. This rice noodle smells stink, which scares many people, but it doesn't taste bad. Its taste has some sour, spicy, fresh, and some fermented taste. So, it is not a taste that everyone can accept. But there are also many people who love this flavor. So, now in many cities outside Liuzhou City, you can see restaurants with 螺蛳粉. Its soup is made of 螺蛳 with sour bamboo shoots, peanuts, fried dried bean milk cream in tight rolls, black fungus, dried radish, green vegetables, and other side dishes. The sour bamboo shoots inside are fermented bamboo shoots, which are the source of the odor of 螺蛳粉. 螺蛳粉 can also be eaten without soup, only with side dishes. 螺蛳粉 is one of several foods with a special smell in China. They are generally loved by those who love, and kept away by those who do not love. Do you have this type of food in your place? You can tell me. The Chinese characters for this video: 米、粉、分、刀. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.